You need to watch these rich boy and poor girl Turkish series if you haven't watched them yet. So the first one is Soul Yanım. This is a college romance series and this is one of those series where I love the chemistry between the leads. They look so beautiful together. Plus it has enemies to lover vibes. Also it's a short series so you'll enjoy watching this one. Second one is Kalp Yarası and this is one of those series which has a strong storyline. So this series has a beautiful love story of Ferit and Ayşe who get into a contract marriage. Why? For that you have to watch it. Plus you will enjoy watching slow burn romance in this series so you shouldn't miss this one. Next one is Aşk Laftan Anlamaz and trust me if you are new to Turkish series then you have to watch this one. And this is a rom-com series which has everything, enemies to lover vibes, office romance, jealousy scenes. Plus the chemistry between the leads is so good that you will love watching this one. Fourth one is Adını Feriha Koydum. It has an emotional story of Feriha who gets an admission in a private university through scholarship. But she lies to everyone that she belongs to a wealthy family. Also she falls in love with Emir who is a rich playboy. So it will be interesting to watch how she will deal with her secret. So overall it's a worth watching series. Next one is Kiralik Aşk. This is one of my personal favorite rom-com series. So if you love watching series which has boss-employee relationship and female lead is hiding a big secret, then you have to watch this one. And I love the chemistry between the leads. They look so amazing together so you will definitely fall in love with this pair. Now I'll be talking about İstanbul'u Gelin. In this series you'll see Faruk who is a rich businessman falls in love with Suraya who is a poor singer. But their relationship is not at all easy. Faruk mother doesn't accept this relationship. So overall it's a beautiful series with family drama which you will love watching. Next is Erkenci Kuş. If you are a rom-com lover like me then trust me you will love watching this one. So it has office romance. The chemistry between the leads is so good and it's one of the highly recommended series which you must binge watch. Now the last one is Sevdiğim Sensin. It's a recent series. In this series you'll see Dicle, a poor village girl, and Erkan who belongs to a wealthy family get into a forced marriage. So overall this series has a different storyline and you will love watching their beautiful love stories. So happy watching.